Welcome. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a circle line in Revit by properly setting up units and precision. Step 1. Start with Construction tool. First, go to the Construction of the Circle tool. This is the basic command for drawing circular elements in Revit. Step 2. Set Project Units. Next, open the Project Units dialog. Choose decimal as the format. If you want to work in meters, select meters. If you prefer millimeters, select millimeters. For clean drafting, keep the precision at 0 decimals. Step 3. Confirm precision. By keeping decimals at 0, your measurements will stay simple and accurate. This avoids unnecessary fractions and keeps your design professional. Step 4. Draw the circle. Now, let's draw the circle. Specify the radius value. For example, enter 5 mm and press enter. Revit will instantly generate a circle line with that radius. Step 5. Practical note, extended. This workflow ensures that your circle line matches the construction units you set. Whether you are working in meters or millimeters, the drafting will remain precise and consistent. Consistency in units is not just about accuracy, it also saves time when collaborating with engineers, architects, and contractors. When everyone works with the same unit settings, communication becomes smoother and errors are minimized. Another important point, always double-check your decimal precision before finalizing drawings. Even a small mismatch can lead to costly mistakes in construction measurements. For example, if you set precision to 2 decimals, a circle of 5.00 mm will remain exact. But if precision is set incorrectly, the same circle might display as 4.9 or 5.1 mm, which can cause confusion in real projects. So, make it a habit to verify your units and precision before starting any drafting task. This small step will save you hours of correction later. Exact. But if precision is set incorrectly, the same circle might display as 4.9 or 5.1 mm, which can cause confusion in real projects. So, make it a habit to verify your units and
don't forget to subscribe.